YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to update Birdfy firmware from app. Check for the update and install the latest version. So guys, to update your Birdfy firmware from the app, first of all make sure your Birdfy camera has at least 20% to 40% charge, is currently online via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Second thing is guys, open your Birdfy app. So guys, launch the app on your smartphone or the tablet. And you also select your device. From the home dashboard, tab on your specified Birdfy camera to view the live feed. So you simply go to the settings, then tap the option of setting icon and locate it in the top right or bottom right corner of the screen. After that guys, check for the update. So guys, scroll down and tap the firmware or check for the update. And guys, if a new version is available, then tap the option of upgrade or the update all. And guys, also allow it to finish. The update will download it and install, so do not turn off your camera and move it or close the app while the update is in the progress. The camera will automatically restart once the firmware is fully applied. If you encounter a persistent issue or the bug with the Birdfy update process, so you can find further troubleshooting step on your Birdfy help center or contact their customer support. So guys, thank you.